Welcome to part 3 of the ERKReg training. In this chapter I give you a quick tour of the ERKReg platform and show you where you can find the most important tools and resources. There are two ways to access the ERKReg registry. You can either go directly to the ERKReg homepage or visit erknet.org and select ERKReg under the registry section in the navigation menu. Both options will take you to the ERKReg login page. After logging into ERKReg, you will arrive at your center's dashboard. Here you will see the sections that are relevant for your center and quick accesses to the main functions. I will now guide you through the different tabs and sections. On the left-hand side, you will find the registry training section. Here you can access all the basic training videos, as well as information about the upcoming advanced training sessions. If you are a new ERKReg editor, you'll also find here a short exam that allows you to assess your understanding of the training content after completing this basic course. Under the Data Entry tab, you can enroll new patients and view all patients registered by your center. We will cover this patient enrollment process step by step in the next chapter. As the name suggests, the section Useful Documents contain all key resources for using ERKReg effectively. It provides a comprehensive and detailed user guide, including screenshots and step-by-step explanations. In addition, you will find a frequently asked questions document that addresses more complex or specific use cases. The section also includes the ERKReg informed consent documents, available in all multiple languages for you to download. Finally, it provides the author code catalog, including a hierarchical classification tree of rare kidney diseases covered in ERKReg. This tool helps users to quickly understand the structure of diseases, including parent conditions and their respective subtypes. The next sections, Enrollment by Diseases and Enrollment by Centers, display the most up-to-date patient numbers enrolled in ERKReg. These pages show how many patients are currently included per participating center and per disease group or sub-registry, offering a clear overview of the recruitment activity across the network. In ERKReg, we distinguish between total and active patients. Active patients have had at least a visit in the last 2 years and are therefore considered to be actively seen by the centers. The next section, KPI Monitoring, shows your own center performance statistics. But what are key performance indicators? Key performance indicators are measurable indicators used to assess how well healthcare processes are performing in practice. These KPIs reflect both clinical practice and patient outcomes. In ERKReg, we have developed 64 KPIs together with experts from the different disease working groups. Their main purpose is to monitor, evaluate, and improve the quality of care for patients with rare kidney diseases across Europe. By using standardized indicators, KPIs help to harmonize clinical management between centers, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately support more consistent and higher quality patient care. The KPIs are grouped into different thematic areas. Here you can see your center performance in comparison with the overall ERKNet center average. This overview helps you quickly identify areas where your center is already performing well, as well as areas where there may be a potential for improvement. For more detailed analysis, you can export the patient IDs of those who do not meet a specific KPI criterion and review individual cases to better understand the underlying reason. If you have questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us at the central office. If you are interested to see some descriptive statistics about the ERKReg cohort and about the research and standard of care evaluations, you can find public available registry reports here. The next tool in the dashboard is the Cohort Finder, which is particularly useful for researchers. This tool becomes available once a center has enrolled at least 50 patients. It allows you to identify specific patient cohorts based on criteria such as diagnosis, age, CKD status, treatment, or affected gene. With the Cohort Finder, you can quickly estimate the size of a potential cohort within ERKReg and assess whether it's suitable for your own research questions. The next section is about data export. It allows you to download the complete list of patients entered by your center. These features supports better management and oversight of your rare kidney disease patients by providing a structured overview of all registered cases within your center. In the following highlighted sections, you will find the governance rules and policies related to data access, authorship, and data quality management, which are covered and explained in detail in Chapter 11 and 12. The section Subregistry provides information about all ERKReg related subregistries, including detailed descriptions and useful supporting material. For a more comprehensive overview, please refer to Chapter 9, where subregistries are explained in greater detail. The last tab is to change your password. Please know that it is important that every ERKReg editor uses their own personal credentials and maintain a secure password. Login detail must not be shared with anyone else. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it via the ERKNet homepage in the login area. After navigating through the whole dashboard, we will now start the next chapter explaining how to enroll patients from the beginning.